Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to fix the confirm your age to continue error in Grok AI. When you're eager to dive into using Grok AI, seeing an unexpected confirm your age to continue error can be quite frustrating. This message typically pops up because the system needs to verify that you meet the minimum age requirement to access certain features or content. The good news is that solving this issue is usually straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. By updating your birth year in your account settings, you can quickly get back to using Grok AI without any interruptions. Let's dive deeper into the step-by-step process to fix this issue. First, grab your preferred web browser and open it up. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the service, Grok AI, and press enter to bring up the search results. It's crucial to click on the official site link. This ensures you're making changes on the legitimate platform, avoiding any lookalike pages that could compromise your personal information. Once the official page loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account. Double-check this before proceeding, as you will be updating a personal setting that affects your account. On the main screen of the website, direct your attention to the bottom left corner, where you'll find the profile icon. This icon might display as a circle featuring your avatar or just your initials. Clicking this icon will open your user panel. Next, you need to select the Settings option from the user panel. This area is where all your personal and security details are stored and managed, including the information regarding your age. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Account section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Birth Year. Next to this field, there should be an option labeled Change. Clicking this will allow you to edit your birth year. This step is crucial because the system uses your birth year to verify that you meet the age requirements necessary to use the service. Once you've clicked on Change, select your correct birth year from the drop-down list or enter it manually in the provided field. After entering your accurate birth year, make sure to click Save to update the information. It's essential to use your real birth year to comply with the platform's terms of service and to ensure you can access all the features without future issues. Before you finalize your changes, take a moment to double-check that the information you've entered is accurate. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save. Typically, these updates take effect immediately. You should notice that the confirm your age to continue error disappears right away. If the message still appears, try refreshing the page or navigating back to the main screen. Sometimes, a quick refresh is all it takes for the changes to be fully reflected in the interface. And that's it. By following these steps, accessing the official site, opening your profile and settings, navigating to the account section, changing your birth year, and saving your changes, you can resolve the age confirmation prompt quickly and efficiently. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to fix the confirm your age to continue error in Grok AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.